Discussing another opportunity to buy oil in this market, particularly rigs. Some interesting news out of Bloomberg today: how Petrobras is trying to have as many deep water rigs as possible for as much as 3 years. It's big news.
This is big news, and credit to Bloomberg for fleshing it out. There was a very important conference call in this most recent reporting period. It was for Transocean Drilling, symbol rig, long been my favorite. It merged with Global Santa Fe. It's by far the largest offshore deepwater drilling company. In the conference call, there was a lot of skepticism about what will happen in the so-called out years. We all know that they've got lots of ships, big rigs, for 10,000-foot drilling and deeper, locked up 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011. The conference call focused on 2011 because these are all visibility plays. And what happens is each year there's new contracts come up, and they've been, the 300,000s are rolling over, and now they're going for 700,000, 600,000, 700,000. The deeper water get more. In the conference call, it was somewhat unresolved about whether there were enough orders out past 2011. The Petrobras story on Bloomberg answers that question with a resounding yes, there are. It looks like to me that Petrobras is going to try to lock up the whole of rigs fleet. When it says 80% of the deep water, you have to think rigs. It's a publicly traded big deep water play. That means that everybody who has a contract that ends in 2011 is going to be challenged by Petrobras to get that ship. There are very few ships coming on. They're one of the reasons why 2011 is such a fulcrum year is there'll be some ships out there. And there has been a lot of worry among people who own rig that when the new ships come in, the supply will tip and the rates will stop going up. The Petrobras story virtually assures, I think, that rates will not stop going up, which is good for rig, but even better for National Oil Varco, symbol NOV, which is the monopolist maker of rigs other than Korea. It's a stock I've been buying for ActionAlertsPlus.com. It had a very big run last week. If it pulls back, I want to buy it again. The Petrobras news is incredibly bad for Exxon, for Chevron, but also for Russia, also for Africa, for Iran, any country, Saudi Arabia. Any country that has deep water drilling, any companies that have deep water drilling need those rigs, and Petrobras basically said, we're going to own them.
All right. Thank you so much, Jim. You have a great column on realmoney.com as well on this story for more. Stay tuned for more of Wall Street Confidential.